Myself, Dr. W.B. Gunole from Kamla Nehru Mahavidyalaya, Nagpur. Today we are discussing the what is diene, nomenclature of dienes, and then classification of dienes, and after that methods of formation of dienes, that is 1,3-butadiene. As we know, unsaturated hydrocarbon containing two carbon-carbon double bonds are known as alkanoids, or also known as simply the dienes. So alkadienes or dienes, and they have general formula CnH2n-2, and therefore they are isomeric with the alkynes. But the properties of dienes are different as compared to the properties of alkynes. So in this part we are discussing nomenclature, classification and formation of alkadiene or dienes. And there are three types of dienes. One is isolated dienes, second is the conjugated dienes, and third is the cumulative or allyne dienes. So all these types of alkenes and their methods of formation we are discussing in today's part. So today's topic is the dienes or alkadienes, and this is the part number 6. And in this case we are discussing the what is diene, what are the examples of dienes, nomenclature of diene, classification of dienes, and different methods of formation of dienes. So as we know, what is diene? Dienes are the alkenes, and that contains two carbon-carbon double bonds. And as we know, unsaturated hydrocarbons containing two double bonds are known as the alkadienes and simply dienes. And as we know, they have the general formula CnH2n-2, and therefore they resemble or isomeric with the alkynes, but the properties are quite different from the alkynes. So here this is the important compound. Diene is 2. Here is given, name is given di, means 2, ene means double bond. So two double bonds are there in the compound, and because of the presence of double bond, they are unsaturated hydrocarbons containing these two double bond is known as the alkadiene or simply dienes. So in case of nomenclature of diene, two methods are there generally, but in case of IUPAC name of the dienes obtained from the corresponding longest chain of alkane, in which we can say that dienes are obtained from the alkane, and by replacing the suffix ane of alkane by the diene, so alkane becomes alkadiene, and the relative position of the two double bonds are indicated by the Arabic numerals 1, 2, 3 like that. The numbering is done in such a way that carbon atom of the double bond get the lowest possible number. So we have to give the number to the carbon in such a way that carbon atom of the double bond get the lowest possible numbers. The position of substituent, if present in the compound, are indicated by placing the number of the carbon atom bearing the substituent before the name of the substituent. The common name like is given in the bracket. So here some examples are given of the some diene compound. So position of substituent is indicated by placing the number of the carbon atom bearing the substituent. So see here some examples. This is 1,2-propadiene. Diene is there. 3 carbons are there. Therefore propane. As we know, alkane is converted into alkadiene. So propane becomes propadiene. So this is 3 carbons are there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and propadiene. Propane, propadiene. But now we have to indicate the position of double bond. So these double bonds start from 1 carbon. These double bonds start from 2. So 1, 2, propadiene. And common name is the allyne shown in the bracket. So allyne is the compound having the formula CH2 double bond C double bond CH2. Another very well-known example is a 1,3-butadiene. So this double bond start from 1 carbon 1, and the second is from 3. So 1,3-butadiene, because 4 carbons are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So butane becomes butadiene. Another example is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons are there, and 2 double bonds are there. So this is on 1 carbon, this is on 4 carbon. So 1,4-pentadiene. And one more example where there is a substituent in the chain. This methyl is a substituent on the carbon 2. Total 4 carbons are there, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the chain. 1 2 3 4, and double bond is at 1 carbon, this double bond is at 3 carbon, 1 3 butadiene, but we have to write first methyl, 2 methyl, carbon 2 have methyl, so 2 methyl 1 3 butadiene, and this compound is also known as isoprene. Common name of this compound is isoprene. So this is the nomenclature of the dienes. Next part is the classification of diene, and in case of classification of diene, and as we know, depending upon the relative position of the two double bonds, what is the position of two double bond, these dienes are classified into three types. First is known as the isolated diene. Isolated dienes. And what is isolated dienes? The diene in which two double bonds are separated by more than one single bond. Such type of compound are known as isolated dienes. So see, what is these dienes in which the double bonds are separated by more than one single bond. more than one single बॉन्ड. देखो इसमें ये जो कंपाउंड दिया है 1,4 पेंटाडाइन, तो ये जो है डबल बॉन्ड, एक यहाँ पे एक यहाँ पर है, तो यहाँ पे एक सिंगल बॉन्ड है, ये दो सिंगल बॉन्ड, एक से ज़्यादा, मोर देन वन सिंगल बॉन्ड. तो यहाँ पे देखो एक दो सिंगल बॉन्ड्स हैं, उसके बाद में डबल बॉन्ड है. तो फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ डाइन्स आर नोन एज आइसोलेटेड डाइन्स. So the name of this compound is 5 carbons are there, 1 2 3 4 5 pentadiene, but positions are 1 and 4. तो देखो ये एक से स्टार्ट होता है और ये डबल बॉन्ड 4 पे स्टार्ट होता है, तो 1,4 pentadiene. So this is the isolated diene. Examples of isolated diene. In the similar way, how many 6 carbons are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 in this example, and 1 and 5 have the double bond. So 1,5 hexadiene. So the name is 1,5 hexadiene, and between the two double bond there are 3 single bonds. So more than one single bonds are there, and two double bonds are separated by more than one single bond. Such type of dienes are known as isolated dienes. So now it is clear. And another second type is conjugated dienes. What is the conjugated dienes? So second is conjugated diene, and diene in which two double bonds are separated by one single bond only, or dienes which contain alternate single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, like that. So the compound or the chain in which the single bond, then double bond, then single bond, alternate are present, or the two double bonds are separated by a single bond which is known as conjugated dienes. तो इसको देखो एग्जांपल्स दिए, दो एग्जांपल. ये है 1,3 ब्यूटाडाइन. तो पहले डबल बॉन्ड, बाद में सिंगल बॉन्ड, बाद में डबल बॉन्ड, बाद में सिंगल, इस टाइप का आएगा तो उसको बोलते हैं कंजुगेटेड डाइन्स. तो देखो दिस टू डबल बॉन्ड्स आर सेपरेटेड बाय वन सिंगल बॉन्ड. सो सच टाइप ऑफ डाइन्स आर नोन एज कंजुगेटेड डाइन. अनदर एग्जांपल इज हियर. In this case 1 2 3 4 5 carbons are there, and two double bonds are separated by a single bond. So therefore are alternate single and double bond. So double bond, then single bond, double bond, then single bond. Such type of bondings are there in the compound, then it is known as conjugated dienes. So these are the two examples, 1,3 butadiene and 1,3 pentadiene are the examples. So 1,3 pentadiene and 1,3 butadiene are the examples of conjugated dienes. Another example, third type, is accumulated dienes, and these dienes contain, also known as alene. These dienes contain accumulated system of double bond, that is double bond between successive carbon atom are known as the cumulated dienes. For example, successive carbon atom मतलब ये देखो एग्जांपल, इसमें 1 2 प्रोपेडाइन, प्रोपेन 3 है, तो ये डबल बॉन्ड, उसके बाद में और डबल बॉन्ड, मतलब सक्सेसिव एक डबल बॉन्ड के बाद और भी नेक्स्ट इसमें डबल बॉन्ड. अगर इस टाइप का अगर है उसको बोलते हैं क्यूमुलेटेड डाइन्स और अलीन्स. दिस इज 1,3 ब्यूटाडाइन, 4 कार्बन है, देखो डबल बॉन्ड पास में ही है, ऐसे अगर है उसको बोलते हैं 1 2 ब्यूटाडाइन. दिस इज 1 2, ये 1 पे और दूसरा 2 पे. यहाँ पे भी देखो, यहाँ पे 2 3, देखो ये 2 पे है और ये वाला 3 पे है, तो 2 3 पेंटाडाइन. सो 1 2 प्रोपेडाइन, 1 2 ब्यूटाडाइन, 2 3 पेंटाडाइन. मतलब जो डबल बॉन्ड है, नेक्स्ट डबल बॉन्ड एक के बाद एक अगर ऐसे है तो उसको बोलते हैं क्यूमुलेटेड डाइन्स. एंड so there are 3 types of dienes. So we can classify diene into 3 types: isolated diene, conjugated dienes and the cumulative dienes or allenes. Now next is the methods of formation of diene. And in case of methods of formation of diene, dienes are generally prepared by suitable modification of the methods used for making alkene. जैसे alkene में अपन जो method use करते हैं, similar methods are used here also for preparation of dienes. सिर्फ उसमें alkene में single double bond होता है और dienes में 2 double bonds है. Some important reactions are given here. So one important reaction is pyrolysis of cycloalkene. Pyrolysis मतलब उसको heat करना है. So this is also known as retro-de-Leiter reaction. And first is the pyrolysis of cycloalkene. And in this method, in the pyrolysis method, 1,3-butadiene is prepared by passing vapors of cyclohexene over heated nichrome alloy. So this is the alloy of made up of 3 metals. On this nichrome alloy, or heated nichrome alloy, we have to pass the vapors of cyclohexene. So cycloalkene, and here cycloalkene is a cyclohexene. So this is the compound cyclohexene having 1 double bond. 6 carbons are there and 1 is a double bond. So cyclohexene. And after passing this vapor of cyclohexene through the nichrome alloy, we obtain ethylene and 1,3-butadiene. So in this case, this ethylene, this 2 is CH2, CH2, double bond is here. This bond will break and this electron shifted here and it becomes double bond. This bond breaks and electron pairs are shifted here, become a double bond. And now then, and this double bond now shift, one of the bond breaks and shifted here. So here is double bond and double bond. So CH, these 3 are here. So CH2, CH, CH, CH2. So here is CH2, double bond CH, CH and double bond CH2, and this is the ethylene. So ethylene and 1,3-butadiene we obtain after passing. So this is known as pyrolysis. So ring of the cyclohexene can breaks and we obtain ethylene and 1,3-butadiene. So this is the first important method of preparation of dienes. Second method is the dehydration of butane 1,3-diol. Butane 1,3-diol. 2 OH groups are there. So acid catalyzed dehydration of butane 1,3-diol give the 1,3-butadiene. So when dehydration, catalyzed dehydration of butane 1,3-diol which form 1,3-butadiene. So reaction is given here. This is the butane, 4 carbons are there and 1 and 3 having the diol. Diol is 2 ol means alcohol groups are there. So 2 OH groups are there on carbon number 1. This is 1, 2, 3. So 1 and 3 have OH group. So this is the name of the compound butane 1,3-diol. In the presence of acid catalyzed H plus and we have to heat, what is then dehydration is taking place and 2 water molecules get replaced. So see simply here is a 1 double bond, these 2 carbon. From this carbon OH and from this carbon H. So H2O 1 molecule and comes here double bond. So here is here. In the similar way here, 1 hydrogen from this and OH from this carbon. These 2 carbon having a double bond here and water molecule get, so 2 water molecule release and we obtain 1,3-butadiene. So this is the butane 1,3-diol. Butane 1,3-diol is a starting compound here. This is which is required for this purpose is prepared by reduction of ethyl acetoacetate with sodium amalgam or catalytically. So first we have to prepare butane 1,3-diol and from this we by acid catalyzed dehydration we get the 1,3-butadiene. So this is important second method known as the dehydration of butane 1,3-diol. Third important reaction is there in case of diene, catalytic dehydrogenation. The name of the reaction is from this catalytic dehydrogenation. D means removal, hydrogenation. So removal of hydrogen, dehydrogenation, hydrogenation, removal of hydrogen. We obtain the compound. So in this case, in the petrochemical industry, 1,3-butadiene is obtained by catalytic dehydrogenation of N-butane, 1-butane, 2-butane. So these 3 compounds are there, N-butane, 1-butane, 2-butane. So this is the N-butane. In the case of chromium oxide, when we heat or Al2O3, what is now this is the N-butane, and we obtain 1,3-butadiene. So here there is a removal of dehydrogenation is taking place, और ये जो कार्बन है ये 2 कार्बन, तो यहाँ से एक हाइड्रोजन, यहाँ से एक हाइड्रोजन, यहाँ पे CH2, यहाँ पे CH, ये देखो डबल बॉन्ड आ गया। ये दोनों कार्बन से एक एक हाइड्रोजन निकला H2। सिमिलरली फ्रॉम दिस 2 कार्बन, H from this, H from this, 1 hydrogen is removed, D hydrogen removed. So what is here is double bond, here is double bond. So we obtain 1,3-butadiene. In the similar way, in case of 2-butene also, and also in case of 1-butene, we obtain the compound. So this is the catalytic dehydrogenation, and catalyst is a chromium oxide or aluminum oxide, and at particular temperature we obtain this compound, the 1,3-butadiene. Next, number 4 is the dehydrohalogenation. What is the name of the reaction? D means remove, hydrohalogenation means HX, hydrogen halogenation. So HBr, HCl can be removed, and we obtain the compound. So dehydrohalogenation of 1,3-dichlorobutane. So this is the 1,3-dichlorobutane, and we obtain the compound in this case. So isoprene can be prepared by dehydrogenation of 1,3-dichloro compound. In case of dehydrohalogenation of 1,3-dichlorobutane, also we obtain the compound isoprene, that is 1,3-butadiene, and in this case isoprene is prepared by dehydrohalogenation of 1,3-dichloro 3-methylbutane with alcoholic KOH. In this case, we have to take the starting compound 1,3-dichloro 3-methylbutane, and in the presence of alcoholic KOH, when we heat, we obtain isoprene, also known as 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene. Now, there is another method of preparation of isoprene. Isoprene may also be synthesized from acetone and acetylene by following the sequence of reaction. So, reactions isoprene can also be obtained from the acetone and acetylene. So here this is the acetylene and this is the acetone, and these are the series of reactions are taking place. In presence of sodamide, we obtain this type of compound. So this joined here, this CSC, and this H from this is joined here, OH, this is the additional compound, and the acetylene joined in this way. After that, here in presence of hydrogen palladium in CaCO3, and this is the Lindlar's catalyst, and in presence of this catalyst, the name of this compound is dimethyl ethyl nil carbinol. When in presence of Lindlar catalyst, we obtain this type of compound. Now hydrogenation is taking place. So this CSC and OH are as it is, and here now the one of the double bond get break, and what is now here triple bonds are there, now double bond, because addition is there, one hydrogen here and two hydrogens are here. So we obtain in this way CH2 double bond CH. So addition is taking place, nascent hydrogen comes here, and one hydrogen here, and two are here. So in this way we obtain dimethyl ethyl carbinol. So after that, when there is a removal of water molecule in presence of L2O3, and water is removed, OH from this and H from this. So what is now? This is the compound CH2 double bond CH, C double bond CH2 and CSC as it is. So water, OH and H from this, and we obtain this isoprene. So this isoprene is the compound we obtain from the acetylene and acetone, and this isoprene have also the name of this compound isoprene 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene. So this is the compound 2-methyl 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, so 2-methyl 1,3-butadiene. So in this way 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene, also known as isoprene, is obtained by this method. So another method is there, number 5, and as that is the butadiene, 1,3-butadiene can also be obtained by passing the mixture of ethanol and acetaldehyde vapors over the heated catalyst, and we get the dyes. So in this way here acetaldehyde and ethanol, when they mix together this mixture, we obtain this type, and two water molecules are get released. So 1,3-butadiene, 1,3-butadiene is the product, and two molecules of water get released. So in this way, by passing the mixture of ethanol and acetaldehyde over the heated catalyst, we obtain the 1,3-butadiene. This is another method. And one more method of formation is there. 1,3-butadiene can also be prepared by catalytic hydrogenation. of butanediol, an intermediate obtained by passing mixture of acetylene and formaldehyde over the catalyst acetylide catalyst. So here 1,3-butadiene can also be obtained. So in this case, this is acetylene and formaldehyde. When we pass to the copper carbide, so what is now here? We obtain this type of compound. So CH2OHC, triple bonds are there, and again now see CH2OH in this way, and then reaction with hydrogen in case of nickel, we obtain this compound butanediol. So 2 OH are here, 1 OH is here, CH2OH, CH2, and again CH2 and CH2OH. So the bond get break and we obtain butanediol. So hydrogen get added, and in this case here 2 hydrogens are here and 2 hydrogens are here. So CH2, CH2, and this CH2OH is there. After that there is a loss of 2 water molecule, and we obtain from these 2 carbon OH from this, NH from this. So here there is a double bond again from these 2 carbon OH, and from these 2 carbon OH from this and NH from this. We obtain this type of 1,3-butadiene. So these are the methods of formation of dienes. So here in this way we obtain the 1,3-butadiene, and we have seen different methods of formation of butadiene. And so what is diene? Which compound, unsaturated compound which contain 2 carbon-carbon double bonds, which are known as diene or alkadiene, or alkane is converted into alkadiene, and simply it is known as diene. What is the, how we write the IUPAC name nomenclature we have seen, and also we have discussed the classification of dienes. 3 types are there: isolated dienes, conjugated dienes, and the cumulated or arene dienes. So 3 types are there, and also we have seen the examples. After that, some methods of formation or preparation of dienes we have seen in today's part. In the next part we will discuss about the important chemical reactions of dienes.